Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So I will try to keep the video short because GBPUSD is kind of flat. Not much movement we can see on the chart of GBPUSD. This is the 4 hours time frame and you can see the market looks choppy. Okay, market is more or less silent. Market is in indecision mode right now. And if I take you to the daily time frame, you can see the same. On daily time frame, market is forming dojis and spinning tops, and dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. Okay, so my dear friends, if we look at a chart of DXY, okay, DXY as usual trying its best to recover, right now standing at the trend line at the top. If it fails, then market will come down to the trend line at the bottom. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner. Almost all the Forex pairs are silent except the JPY pairs today. Because of the Christmas and upcoming New Year. If you look at the forexfactory.com or any economic calendar, you can see that more or less we do not have any fundamental factor that will push the market, especially after 25th. There will be series of bank holidays, so the volatility will be very low. So my dear friends, market is going nowhere. It's time for festival. Give time to your family, loved ones. Those who are trading, be careful because whenever there is less volume in the market, either the market will be flat, there will be not much movement, or the market will show extreme spikes. Okay. So please be careful, follow proper risk management. Okay. And let's have a look at a chart of GBPUSD. Okay. As discussed, GBPUSD is forming dojis and spinning tops. Okay, and more or less the market should continue to trade like this for the next 9 to 10 days till 31st of December or first week of Jan. And the only trading opportunity for today that I see on the chart of GBPUSD is if market breaks 1.2115 level. Okay, if market breaks this level, sell may come on the market. If not a very big selling opportunity, at least you can expect a profit of 30, 35, 40 pips. So if you see that market is crossing this level 1.2115 with a big red candle, you can consider taking a sell position. But as I said, you need to be very careful because in this situation, breakout or breakdown can be very risky. Okay, because when there is not much volume, there cannot be a breakout, there cannot be a breakout. But still, if you see the market is forming a big red candle, you can take a sell position with proper risk management. If you take usually 0.5 lot, then please reduce the size by 0.25. If you take a lot size of 0.1, then take a lot size of 0.05. And on the other hand, if market starts going up, then you can expect the market to face some selling pressure or resistance around 1.2280 level because of Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So if market goes up and reverses from this level here, if you see price rejection from above, market forming a shooting star kind of a pattern, you can consider taking a sell position at 1.2280 level. Again, your expected profit will be around 35 to 35 40 pips. In this situation, try to trade from level to level, okay, because trend continuation or trend continuation trades can be a little bit riskier. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so please follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care.